We've been talking a lot about the operating systems, hardware, and some other solutions. But, do you remember? Our manager sent us 3 tasks. How many have we completed? Yes, we have completed 1 task only. You do not want to ignore your manager. We have to go back and complete 2 tasks. Task number 9, or for us task number 2, is to run a piece of software on T01 to test how fast an SSD is, solid state disk. A new disk has been installed in this laptop. Our job is to put a piece of software called as SSD and test it. You will have access to a special document, to a special page application. You will go to your knowledge base article and figure out what's wrong. In most cases, you will find what you need over there. We can refer to our KB knowledge base. You should find some information inside. Software to use, we have a link. We can go back to our ticket. This ticket has been assigned to us already. We can change its status now. We are ready to connect to T01. We can paste the link. You can ask, okay, I have never used this application. Do not worry, someone will show you how to use it. In most cases, it is really simple. You open it and say run a test. You don't have to change any options. You just say start. This application is going to check how fast your SSD is. It's going to read and write some files, will perform some actions to verify how fast your disk is. How can you upload this screenshot to your application, to Service Desk? In most cases, you will have a dedicated network drive. If you don't have one, you can use, for instance, OneDrive. Please do not use a customer's OneDrive. You can use your own cloud solution like OneDrive. OneDrive is a cloud solution from Microsoft. You can use iDrive, you can use whatever your company provides you, but do not use a customer's account. I can create a link and share it. I will share it with myself only. It's okay, I want to copy and paste this screenshot for John, for our manager. I say hi, John. I can paste my screenshot. You can drag and drop a file. And that's it. We save our message and we're done. You can ask, is it a fast SSD? Well, it's not the fastest out there, it's a decent budget SSD. Finally, we can close our ticket. here is our final ticket. When you think about a big company, again, when you think about service desk, in most cases you will not support 2 or 3 users. Your job will be to support hundreds, thousands of users and devices. This task, this ticket is about an agent to be installed. In most cases, you do not want to go to every single device and install, for instance, a PDF viewer. Your users will request a lot of applications. They can have, for example, Microsoft Office. They will need some viewers. They will need applications to support what they do every day. You do not want to go and install an application on every single device. There are hundreds of solutions out there. 99. A really cool application that you can use on your own PC as well to, pick up a few applications that you want to install. You can use 99 in a corporate, in a big environment as well. You can actually install a piece of software, a small agent on every single device, and then push any application you want. How cool is that? Our job is to connect to T01 and install an agent. We can refer to our knowledge base again. We can find a short note saying that an agent should be found in the download folder. This means that when we connect to T01, an agent should wait for us in the download folder. Status in progress. We can connect to T01 now. When we go to downloads, yes, we can see an agent. We provide our own password. It's done. How can we verify it's up and running? 99 allows you to open a special dashboard. Every time you install an agent, this agent is going to report back to a special server, in this case 99 Pro. As you can see on your screen, one device has been discovered. This means that our agent is up and running. You can find more information about this device, about this laptop. You can see your operating system, domain, name, users, IP addresses, and so on. The idea behind this application is to make sure that you can push some software to end users. You don't have to go and install, for instance, a PDF viewer on 500 devices. You can push this application with one click. We have to report back to John. We say, "Hi, the agent has been installed." Completed. We have completed 3 tasks. We will have a really happy manager. John, how is it going? I think you have a really talented service desk agent.